welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica if you are new here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got my 10-year-old daughter for Easter. I have two little girls, but one is 3 and one is 10, so the things that I got them pretty much are complete opposite. So that being said, I split this into 2 videos. So today I'm just doing my 10-year-olds, and then I will have another video for what I got my 3-year-old coming in the next couple days, so be on the lookout for that. So like I said, my daughter Madeline, she is 10, so I went ahead and partnered up with Becky from A Place to Nest to show you guys some more ideas, because I know that this age group can be a little bit harder to shop for because they start to have more of an opinion and they're not into toys as much. So she's going to have some ideas for you over on her channel. She has older daughters, so she'll have some more ideas for you over there if you want to go check that out when you are done watching this one. If you are coming over from Becky's channel, hi, I'm so happy that you came over, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so this is what Madeline's Easter basket looks like. Both girls have matching ones, but Kinsley's her initials are in purple. I got it on a website called Viv and Lou. I don't know if they still have them. I got them like 4 years ago, but I will try and remember to link that website for you guys in the description box, and you can go check out and see. I'm not really sure. I hope they do, but I don't want to disappoint anyone if you're wanting one of these. I got it 4 years ago, so I'm not really sure. Okay, so for me and my family, the way that I do Easter is I basically get my girls things that they need, and I just kind of, let's see, like collectively keep these things over time, and then I just save them for Easter because they do need more spring and summer clothes, and then I like to get some outside toys and things like that. So a lot of the things I get them are things that they need, whereas like Christmas, you're just buying presents and things for fun. They don't really need them. That's kind of how I do Easter in our family. So there are a lot of clothing items and things like that, but there are a few fun things as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig into Madeline's and hopefully give you guys some ideas on what to get your kids. So the first thing that I got Madeline was some hair ties, and I got them in this blonde color, which I thought was really cool because we've never had this color and she doesn't know it yet, but she's going to share these with me. She has really long, thick, beautiful hair, and we are always fighting over hair ties and losing them. So I got her some more of those, and I'm probably going to steal half of those. So her little sister Kinsley wanted to get these for big sister. They're just pink flip-flops. I got them from Walmart, and they were 98 cents. And I mean, who doesn't need a basic pair of flip-flops? I don't know if she's gonna love the hot pink, but Kinsley just had to have them for Sissy, so I went ahead and grabbed them. The next thing, I actually picked this up last minute because I was walking through the store to get something else, and I saw this little guy, and Madeline is obsessed with German Shepherds, and she really wants to have one, and I love them too. They're beautiful, but I saw this little guy sitting up on the shelf, and I thought, well, that's really cute. So I know she is 10, and she's kind of out of the stuffed animal stage, but I figured she would like him, so I picked him up for her. Alright, so the weather is starting to get warmer, and when it's warm outside, we like to go outside, and I like to play little games and things like that, and I'm always looking for new things to do. So I found this at Walmart, and we've had these before, but they usually only last through one season, so I went ahead and just bought a new one. And if you don't know what it is, these little things strap on your hand, and it's a Velcro, and you throw it and catch it, and the ball sticks to it. So I figured Kinsley could play this too, but I just picked this up at Walmart, and I think it was just a couple of dollars. Okay, so I kind of have to hold this weird because my light will reflect and you won't be able to see it, so that's why I'm holding it weird. But anyways, Madeline and I have been working on our relationship. Her love language is quality time, so she likes it when I spend time with her. And it can be kind of hard. You have a toddler and you work from home and just life. So I have been trying to make it a point to spend more time with her. I've been putting Kinsley to bed, and then I let her stay up a little later now that she's 10, and we'll either watch a show or something like that. I figured that a puzzle would be a great thing for us to do, so I got her that one, and it's just this little chocolate lab, and it says 12 and up ages, but I think it'll be fine. So I'm interested to see how long it's going to take us to put this together. Okay, so I picked her up some shoes from Walmart. I love Walmart shoes. They have the cutest stuff for the best prices. These are just some black sandals, and she's in the size, she wears a size 5. So we basically can share shoes because a size 5 is equivalent, and a size 5 in little girls is about the same size as a size 7 in women's, so we can pretty much share shoes now. But yeah, I thought these were really cute, so I got her these, and let's see, they were $9.96 at Walmart. And then I got both girls eggs, but Madeline prefers the color blue or mint or aqua or something like that. So I got her these little ombre eggs at Walmart. They were 88 cents. And then I just got her some blue Peeps because my kids like them. So I don't know, but they wanted them. So they've been asking for Peeps, and I'm like, oh, well, we'll ask the Easter Bunny, you know. So Madeline knows about the Easter Bunny. So, yeah, she got blue ones. And then oh, I have a hair in my eye. She loves these, the Fave Reds jelly beans, which they are really good. This won't even last a day in my house between us 3 girls, but I got her those. Okay, so now for the clothing stuff. The rest of the stuff I got her is all like clothing and stuff like that, and it's all for spring and summer. And I think everything here is from Walmart because I was there and it had a lot of cute stuff, and some of it was clearance. So I'm pretty sure everything I'm about to show you I got at Walmart. So I just picked her up 2 basic tanks. This one is a spaghetti strap, and this one is just the thicker, and then it's like the ribbed tank top because she likes to wear shirts underneath of some shirts. They make shirts so sheer these days, so a lot of times I like her to wear like a cami underneath. So I got her a couple of just basic tank tops to go under her shirt. So I found these little athletic pants at Walmart on clearance. I think they were, let's see if I can find on the tag, they were clearance for $7. So I got her these, and they just have like this at the bottom. And then they also had these ones, and they were clearanced also. And then they had shirts to match these, so I'll show you that one. So this is what the shirt looks like. It was clearanced for $5, and it matches the pants, so I really liked it. It's a nice soft material. Alright, so she needed some new pajamas, so I got her these, and they have little shorts, which I'll show you. It says Love Dream. And I'm going to tell you how much they were too, in case you're wondering. $7.87, so you can't beat that. These are the little shorts that match. And then again, Kinsley picked this one out. She was with me the day I was shopping, so she picked this one out. It says, I love catnaps, and then the matching shorts have butterflies. So another tradition that I have for Easter, that's when I typically will buy at least their first bathing suit for the season. I like to have them a couple of suits just because it's easier when one's dirty, they can throw a different one on, and just so that they can change it up. So I got Madeline a swimsuit, and they had really cute ones at Walmart, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to show you the top first. So this is what the top looks like. It's a halter, and then the back is like that, and then the bottoms look like this. This was $8.84. So I got her some shorts. I love the little lace part on the bottom. They're adorable, and they have the adjustable waist, I think, right? Yes. They have the adjustable waist on the inside, which I really like because Madeline is really tall, but she's really thin, so it's hard to find things that are long enough for her but also fit her and like don't fall off of her waist. So I like that that has the adjustable waist. And how much were these? These were $9.94. I got her this swimsuit. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite. It's just another halter, and then the bottoms look like this. It was the same price as the other one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, $8.84. And then last but not least, I got her these shorts, and those are both by the brand Jordache, in case I didn't mention that. I remember Jordache from when I was a little girl. I loved the little Jordache jeans from Walmart, and I love how they still have it, and it's super cute. And these were $9.94 also, and they also have the adjustable waistband, so I think she'll really like these. Okay, that's what I got Madeline for Easter, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gave you guys some ideas if you are looking for ideas. And don't forget to go over and check out Becky's video when you're done, and she'll have some different ideas for you over there. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye!